Alright, we are going to replace the door handles. I recently bought this inside door handle from Amazon. It was like, with shipping, 11 bucks. And as you can see, go ahead, come in for a close-up. This is a broken door handle that I need to replace. It's actually really simple to do. Yeah, and I'm just going to replace it with this one right here. Alright, you're going to need a Phillips, and here we go. It's really simple. Unscrew that. Make sure you save this, because they don't make them. Oh crap. Shoot, where did it go? Alright, once it's unscrewed, there you go, take it out. It should pop out like so. Push it to the right a little bit, so it'll come out like this. And then after that, once this is out, you can discard it, because what's next is, come in for a close-up. We're going to need to take this, pop this rod out of the clip. Alright, once it's clipped out, as so, you pull it out, the handle, discard that, and simply attach the new one. Make sure the rod goes inside first, and then you clip it in. See, make sure you insert the rod into that hole first, and then you clip it there. So, like so. So you clip it in, right? Poke it in there. Get back in there. That should snap back on. Take your screw, screw it back in nice and tight. And you, my friend, just saved yourself a $50 trip to the mechanic. Okay, let's test it. Voila! There you have it, folks. This is how to fix a inside interior door handle. This model here is good for like 1997 to 2002 Toyota Corollas. I have a 2001 Corolla S, if that matters, but I have a 2001 Corolla, and this, works just fine.